everyone, welcome to my channel Sanjana this side. In this video, I am going to solve the question of 2025 and 2024 PYQs of the chapter Quadratic Equations. So are you ready? Let's start. If you want to score full marks in quadratic equations, then watch the video carefully. If you solve this PYQs, this chapter is almost done. Let's start with 2025 PYQs. I'll solve these questions step by step. So watch the video till the end so that you will not lose any marks in the examination from this chapter. Question number 1. If x by 12 minus 3 by x equals to 0, then what is the value of x? So you have to find the value of x. So it's a very easy question. First, pause this video and try this question by yourself. I hope all of you have done this question. So move to the solution of this question. So in this question, minus 3 by x, if it goes right to the equals to sign, so it becomes plus. So x by 12 equals to 3 by x. If you will cross multiply this, you will get x square equals to 36. That is x equals to plus minus 6. I hope this question is clear. So move to the next question. It's a case study question. A garden designer is planning a rectangular lawn that is to be surrounded by uniform walkway. So this is the figure, and width is x and length is 12 and breadth is 10. Okay, so the total area of the lawn and the walkway is 360 meters square. Okay, and the width of the walkway is same. Okay, so it has mentioned that width is same. Okay, and the dimensions of the lawn, it says, are 12 meters by 10 meter, that is length equals to 12 meter and breadth equals to 10 meter. So based on this information given below, answer the following question. So you have to answer this following question. So formulate the quadratic equations representing the total area of the lawn and the walkway, taking width of the walkway equals to x meter. Pause this video and try this question by yourself. I hope all of you have done this question. So move to the solution of this question. So in this solution part, it is given that area of the rectangular lawn is equals to 360 meters square. So, and you have given, so you can find total length of the rectangular lawn equals to 12 plus 2x. Why 2x? Because width is same on all sides. So 2x and breadth of the rectangular lawn equals to 10 plus 2x. So if you multiply ln to b, you will get 360 meters square. So you can easily find quadratic equation, that is x square plus 11x minus 60 equals to 0. Move to the part 2. You have to solve that quadratic equation that you have find in question number 1. And you have to find the width, that is x, that is the value of x. So you can easily solve this quadratic equation you have read in your chapter. So the quadratic equation is x square plus 11x minus 60 equals to 0. So you can easily solve this quadratic equation and you'll get the value x equals to minus 15 or 4. Since x equals to minus 15 is a negative integer, so it can't be the width because length should always be positive integer. Okay, so x should be 4. So answer is 4. If you have any doubts related to this, then you can write your query in the comment box. Or part, so 2b, if the cost of the paving the walkway at the rate of 50 per meter square is 12,000, calculate the area of the walkway. Now you have to find the area of the walkway. So you can easily find, because the total cost of paving is 12,000 and per meter square is 50, so you can divide and you can find the area. Pause the video and try this question by yourself. I hope all of you have done this question. So move to the solution part. I hope all of you get the right answer. Match your answer with this solution. In the third question, you have to find the perimeter of the lawn. So question itself says that length of the lawn equals to 12 meter and breadth of the lawn equals to 10 meter. So you can find the area by multiplying length and breadth of the lawn. That is 12 into 10. And you know the answer. Comment on this answer. Write your answer in the comment box. It is so easy question. Move to the question number 3. Pause the video and read the question. I hope all of you have read the question. So try this question by yourself. Student scored a total of 32 marks in class tests in mathematics and science. Had he scored 2 marks less in science and 4 marks more in mathematics, the products of his marks would have been 253. Find his marks in 2 subjects. So you have to find the marks of mathematics and science. So let's start. Question says that total marks of mathematics and science equals to 32. So so let's suppose the marks in mathematics equals to x and marks in science equals to y. So x plus y equals should be equals to 32, right? Question says that if he would score 2 marks less in science and 4 marks more in mathematics, the product will be 253. So now the marks in science will be, so y minus 2 will be the marks in science and x plus 4 will be the marks in mathematics. Why? Because question says that if he will score 4 marks more in mathematics, now the product of these two will be 253. So you have to multiply x plus 4 into y minus 2 equals to 253, right? This is the solution. It don't go direct to the solution. Try this question by yourself. Like you can see x plus 4 into y minus 2 equals to 253, right? This line will be clear, okay? And if you'll multiply or solve this, you'll get final xy minus 2x plus 4y equals to 261. Now from equation 1, you have to put y equals to 32 minus x, or you can put x equals to 32 minus y, no problem, okay? So you will get quadratic equation in one variable. Final quadratic equation will be x square minus 26x plus 133. So by factorization method, you can solve this quadratic equations and you will get the value of x equals to 7 and 19. And we have supposed marks in mathematics b, so x equals to 7 and 19. So if the marks in mathematics will be 7, then marks in mathematics in science will be what? 32 minus x, that is 32 minus 7. And if he get marks in mathematics in uh, is 19, then marks in science will be 32 minus 19. So that's why there are two values of marks in mathematics and science, right? Move to the next question. There's a First of all, pause this video and then read this question by yourself. This question says that circular park of diameter 65 meter, okay, as shown in the figure, and AB is the diameter, right, and P is the entry point on the perimeter, okay, and the distance of PA is 35 more than the PB. So you have to find the distance of point P from A and B. So how will you find it? It is easy question. Just you should remember one theorem of circle. That is, if P is any point in the perimeter and AB are endpoints of the diameter, then PAB will be form right angle triangle at point P. That is, point P should be the 90-degree. So you can apply Pythagoras theorem in it and you can solve it. So pause this video and try this question by yourself. I hope all of you have done this question. Let's move to the solution. So PA is 35 more than PB, right? So PA, you can write PA equals to 35 plus PB, right? Question 1. And in triangle PAB, you can write AB square equals to PA square plus PB square. Why is this so? Do you know? Because by Pythagoras theorem, you can write it. Okay? AB square, you know AB, that is 65. So you can put the value of AB 65 square equals to PA square plus PB square, right? Now you can substitute the value of PB or you can substitute the value of PA from equation 1. So that is what I am saying. PA equals to x plus 35, or you can say, or you can write PA equals to PB plus 35, right? Then 65 square AB square plus AB square equals to PB square. I have already told this line. 65 square equals to x plus 35. Why x plus 35? Because it has supposed the value of PB is x. Okay. So x plus 35 square equals to x square. And final quadratic equation you will get, that is x square plus 35x minus 1500 equals to 0. And by factorization method you can solve and you will get the value of x equals to minus 60 and 25. But distance can't be negative, so x equals to 25. Okay. So we have supposed the PB equals to x. So PB equals to 25. And how will you find PA? PA equals to PB plus 35. Why? Question says it. Okay. You can read this question. I hope all of you got the solution. Let's move to the another question. The discriminant of the quadratic equation is given by, okay, we have to find the discriminant. Do you know the formula of discriminant? You should remember discriminant, that is d equals to under root coefficient of x whole square minus 4 into coefficient of x square into coefficient term. So put all these values that I have told in the form of discriminant, and you will get under root a square minus 4bc. Write the answer in the comment box. Move to the next question. So you can match your answer. Question number 6. Which of the following quadratic equations has real and unequal roots? So do you know how will we find real and equal roots? Using the discriminant. When the discriminant equals to 0, then that quadratic equation has real and equal roots. So first of all, simplify all A, B, C, D quadratic equation into a standard quadratic equation, and then find the value of discriminant, and then if the discriminant equals to 0, then that quadratic equation has real and equal roots. So in A, x plus 1 whole square equals to 2x plus 1, right? So you have to simplify x plus 1 whole square, that is x square plus 1 plus 2x equals to 2x plus 1. 2x will be cancelled, so x square plus 1 equals to 1. 1 cancel, so x square equals to 0. So that is the simplified version of A. Try this question and match your solution with this. So question number 1, that I have already told, x square equals to 0, that is x equals to 0 0. That means this equation has real and equal roots. Actually this solution has solved this question, but you don't need to solve, you can easily find discriminant, and if the discriminant equals to 0, then already if it has real and equal roots. Okay, move to the next question. Find the value of k. So first of all, read this question and try this question by yourself. Don't try to look the answer. First of all, try by yourself and then you can match your answer. So you have to find the value of k, and you have given this quadratic equation 4x square plus kx plus 1 equals to 0 has real and equal roots. So for real and equal roots, what do you know? That is discriminant should be equals to 0, right? So d equals to b square minus 4ac. B, the value of b equals to k, and the value of a equals to 4 and c equals to 1. So put this value in this formula, you get the value of k. That is k square equals to 16, and when you take under root both sides, you will get k equals to plus minus 4. Move to the question number 8. This video and read this question. You have to find the smallest value of p for which the quadratic equation x square minus 2 into p plus 1 into x plus p square equals to 0 has real roots. So what do you know when any quadratic equation has real roots? That is discriminant should be greater than 0, right? So the formula of discriminant equals to b square minus 4ac. So what is the value of b? Minus 2 into p plus 1, a equals to 1 and c equals to p square. So put the value in the formula, you will get what? Minimum value of p. When you will put this in formula, you will get p is greater than equals to minus 1 by 2. Since you have to find minimum value, so you can write p equals to minus 1 by 2 is the minimum value that you have to find. You'll put the value of p in the quadratic equation, you'll get the value of x equals to 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 that are also equal, right? Now I hope all of you have solved easily PYQs. So let's move to the 2024 PYQs. Question number 1. In a flight of 2,800 km, an aircraft was slowed down due to bad weather. Its average speed is reduced by 100 km per hour, and by doing so, the time of flight is increased by 30 minutes. Find the original duration of the flight. So you have to find the duration of the flight. So initially question says that total distance is 2,800 km, and we have supposed average speed equals to x. So find the value of time, that is distance by speed, 2,800 by x. Now the average speed is reduced by 100 km, that is x minus 100, and question itself says that the time of flight is increased by 30 minutes. So you have to find the total duration of the flight. So now the time will be 2,800 divided by x minus 100. Now compare these two time and write your answer in the comment box. Move to the solution. So I have already solved this. You'll get x equals to 800, that is a speed equals to 800 km per hour. And when you'll put this value in the equation, you'll get time equals to 3 hours 30 minutes. Move to the next question. Pause this video and try this question by yourself. The denominator of the fraction is 1 more than twice the numerator. So let's suppose the value of the numerator equals to x. So the denominator will be 2x plus 1 because it is 1 more than twice the numerator. And it has given that is the sum of the fraction and its reciprocal is, you can solve this mixed fraction and you'll get 58 by 21. So let's suppose the fraction is x by y. So its reciprocal will be y by x, right? So x by y plus y by x equals to 58 by 21. This is the equation 2. And what we have supposed in y, so y equals to 2x plus 1. You have two equation, two variable. You can easily solve this. So try this question and write your answer in the comment box. Move to the question number 3. If the roots of the quadratic equation are real and equal. So I have already explained this question in 2025 PYQs. That is d equals to under root b square minus 4ac. Here b equals to minus 5, a equals to 4, c equals to 1. So put this value in this formula, you'll get k equals to, I will not tell you, write your answer in the comment box. Pause this video and read this question. Try this question and match your answer with the solution. In this question, the question says that if the side length of the each tile is increased by 1 unit, then the total floor will take 128 tiles to cover the floor. So assuming the original length of a tile is x unit, you have to make the quadratic equation from the given equation, and then you have to find the quadratic equation in a standard form and then find the value of x. So it is easy question. I have already discussed this type of question in 2025 PYQs. You can match your answer with this solution. Now last question of this series, if the roots of the equation x square plus bx plus c are real and equal, then which of the following is true? So d equals to under root b square minus 4ac. For real and equal, d equals to 0. So put the value and find the solution and tell this question and write this solution in the comment box. Match your answer. Thank you.